All right, this video is going to show you how to edit and set up your funnel within any company lead capture page. So you're going to click on websites. All right, if you're not doing any editing, if you're not changing anything like in the copy and the swipe, then this is not the video to be watching. And if you're trying to edit a Power Lead System lead capture page, again, this is the wrong video. This is only if you're trying to edit an any company lead capture page. And right now we're working on some programming to make setting up this whole funnel, after you make your edits, a lot simpler, to give you a lot more flexibility. But right now we are going to give you a workaround. This is not as great as it could be, but it does work, and I think you're really going to like how simple this is, and it's going to get the job done. So if you want to edit one of these pages, and then connect your funnel and have it working properly, this is the video to watch. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first step is for you to tell our marketing system what page do you want your prospects to see immediately after they opt in. Okay, so that's easy. All you're going to do is you're going to hover over account and you're going to click on my information. Now, in case you didn't realize, if you wanted your prospects to see a Power Lead System sales page, like right after they opted in to what we're creating here, well, you're going to have to go find that URL. So I kind of jumped back for a second. I clicked on websites, and anytime you click on any one of these sales pages or any of the funnel pages, no matter how deep you go in the funnel, whatever page you're on is always going to give you your own unique custom URL inside the browser. Okay, so you're going to hover over that and copy it if you wanted to use that. Well, you don't have to use a Power Lead System page. Maybe you're going to direct your prospects to your primary company's video presentation page. Whatever page that you decide, okay, if it's outside of your system, be sure it has your ID number in it or your username. Okay, step one again. Okay, hover over account, click on my information. Okay, now you're going to click here where it says click here to update your corporate URL. And all you're going to do is you're going to paste in the URL of what you want your prospects to see immediately after they opt in here. Okay, so I'm just going to type in abc.com just for an example. And I'm going to click update. All right, so now I'm ready to move forward. I'm going to click on websites. And I am going to scroll down just a little bit, and it says click here to make a copy of one of these pages. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to scroll down. And remember, this is only applicable to when you're editing in any company lead capture page. All right, so I've told my system that I want to make a copy, and now I'm going to tell it which page I want to copy by clicking inside the circle, and I'm going to click make me a copy. Now I'm going to name this. I'm going to name it copy of Jeff 1, and I'm going to click update title. Now keep in mind, this is going to show up in your meta tag whenever you type here, so you might want to give some thought of how you're naming that. Okay, so I just titled this page. I'm going to click update title, and now I can make my changes. I could change the font, the size, the copy, the swipe, anything I want. Just going to change a little bit of the swipe here, just to show you how easy this is. And I can change the headline, the subheadline, and I can even change the video that plays. And what I'm going to show you is a great way to change this video, because right now I've got a great video code in there. It's a nice, clean looking video that you're not going to want to change. You're just going to want to change, you may just want to change the video itself. So for example, right now Jeff does a great job. I love this video. I think it works well for conversions. But if you want to do some branding of yourself and you want to put your own video up there, let me show you how to do that real quick. So assuming you've uploaded your video to YouTube and you've grabbed the embed code from that, then all you're going to do is grab this 11 character code immediately following youtube.com. Now I've already done training on this, so go back and watch the video about embed codes, but it's real simple. There's always 2 forward slashes after youtube.com, and I'll drop this down to one line so you can see it clearly. And after that second forward slash, okay, there's always an 11-character code, and it's usually followed by like quotation marks. It's usually followed by like an equal sign or a question mark, but there it is. You can see it. Now I'm going to copy this, and see that extra space? You want to make sure you take that out of there. Okay, just copy only the 11-character code. I'm going to click copy, and I am going to go back to my video here, or my page, and I'm going to click on source. Now all I have to do is just keep an eye out for when I see youtube.com, because when I find youtube.com, all I have to do is type in that 11-character code. Now, if this isn't making complete sense, that's okay. I want you to basically, just follow these steps that I'm showing you and set up your page and go look at it. Opt in as if you're your own prospect. See how it works. You're not going to break anything. So, even if this doesn't make complete sense, I want you to try it anyway, because this will work if you do it right. Okay, so I found youtube.com. All right, I'm going to look for 2 forward slashes. And then, okay, there it is. Here's the 11-character code that immediately follows that second forward slash. I'm going to paste in the new one, just like that. I'm going to click source, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click save my changes. Now, something magical happens whenever you create something inside your marketing system. Whether I create a sales page, a lead capture page, if I do edits on a page, it's always magically going to appear inside the website section. All right? And that's important, because now that we've got to this point, what we simply need to do is assign a domain or a subdomain to this newly created page. So I'm going to click on websites. Now I'm going to choose the domain or subdomain that I want to attach this newly created page to. Okay, I've got a subdomain here. You could obviously click your drop down menu and pick one, whatever one you want. So now that I've selected that, I'm going to scroll down. Now again, I talked about this programming that we're going to be doing to make this better. It should be in what's called lead capture pages you created, but it's not. It's actually in something called sales pages you created, but that's okay. We're going to find it anyway. And there it is right here, called Copy of Jeff 1. If you remember, that's the name I gave this page that I just created. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click Save My Choice. Okay, I've just now attached that page to that subdomain. Now remember, at the beginning of this video, we already did this step. Okay, so I just skip it. In other words, just click Save My Choice. You don't even have to do anything there. Now all you have to do is choose the autoresponder campaign that you want your prospects to receive. Now, here's what I'm going to recommend. If you are not promoting the Power Lead system, I want you to hit the drop-down menu and find the campaign called Promote Your Primary for All Members. Okay? That's going to insert the URL that you entered into, at the beginning of this video, what I showed you there. That's going to insert that URL all throughout this autoresponder campaign multiple times. But what's a better campaign if you're promoting the Power Lead system is going to be the Power Lead System Opportunity Campaign. So, what you select here all depends on what you're promoting. So now all I do is click I choose this campaign. All right, and that's it. My setup is complete, and I can check my page here, and I see that everything is working properly just the way it should. All right, well, give that a try. I think you're really going to like how that works and how simple that is to set up. So definitely give that a try. You're going to like it.